Civil danger warning. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. At approximately 8:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, two males have escaped from their home in the Midwest. These two are considered armed and dangerous. The first male is an elderly male with pointy gray hair, green shirt, brown pants, and a white lab coat. The second is a teenage boy with brown hair, yellow shirt, blue pants. Use extreme caution if you see these individuals, and do not approach them. These men are responsible for the destruction of countless worlds, dimensions, and timelines. The FBI is offering a $50 million reward for any information that leads to the capture of Morty Smith, and $100 million for any information that leads to the successful capture of the Rick. Not just Rick, but the Rick. Okay Morty, I stopped him. That should buy us some time. Rick, you vaporized him. Yep, imagine that, I vaporized him. Did you have a better idea? Didn't think so. Yeah, but Rick, he was a nice guy. In case you haven't noticed, Morty, they're all nice guys. God, was I this naive when I was your age? Rick, he didn't want to die. No one wants to die, Morty. It's a harsh fact of life that we all have to deal with. Rick, I think it's still recording. Oh, the government is lying to you. Do whatever you want. The president is a jerk, and I made him what he is today. Rick, you can't say that. Why not? I just did. Who's gonna stop me? That guy. Oh wait, I forgot, I vaporized him. Can we go already? Alright, fine. Wubble up a dub dub. Guys, are you still here? Come on Jerry, let's go. We're going to miss interdimensional cable.